of the previous video we had seen two laws of Mendel. Now let us see the third law, which is based on dihybrid cross. So the third law is law of independent assortment. When more than one pair of characters are involved in a cross, factor pairs independently segregate from the other pair of characters. So this is used in dihybrid cross where more than one pair are available, and any cross. Let's see non-Mendelian inheritance. So first type is incomplete dominance. It is the inheritance in which the offspring shows characteristic intermediate between two extreme parental characteristics. So in this both are blended, both the characters are blended together. So for example, we have your red flower which is dominant and white flower which is recessive. So if we take complete dominance, if we assume complete dominance, so we'll get the progeny with red color itself. But in incomplete dominance, the red and white color both gets blended. Dominant and recessive both gets blended and we get pink color. So no one is completely dominant over here. Both are together, blended. All of this is flower color in snapdragon, dog flower or anthurium, and mirabilis jalapa. So here we have taken red, which is capital R, and small r white. So if we hybridize this together, we'll get pink. In this we have half characters of capital R, which is red, and half character of small r. So if we see the Puneet square over here, for this example, the capital R will give us red, and capital R small r will give us pink, and capital R small r will again give us pink, and small r will result into white. Now let us see their ratios. So the phenotypic ratio will be 1:2:1. So 1 is for red and 2 is for pink, and again the 1 is for white. So phenotypic ratio will be 1:2:1. Now the genotypic ratio will be, this is 1:2:1. This is genotype, genotype. These are the genotypes. So the genotypic ratio will also be 1:2:1. This is the genotypic and phenotypic ratio. So here R was not completely dominant over small r. P plants also show incomplete dominance in other traits.